Hello friends, welcome to Vigyan Chintan. Today I am going to discuss a question from class 9th science, chapter number 8 motion. Page number 100, question number is 2. Okay, so let's discuss the questions. A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds from his initial position? Okay, so in these questions, the question is say a farmer moves along a square field. Okay, so let's start. This is the initial position from where farmer starts moving. Okay, this is initial position A, and this is 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter, B, C, D. Okay, this is the field along which farmer start moves. So in the starting, farmer start move from this point and go towards this AB 10 meter. After that BC 10 meter, after that CD 10 meter, and after that DA 10 meter. In the end, he travel 40 meter in one round. Okay, he travel 40 meter in one round. Time is 40 seconds. So first we write given what is given in this question. Solution. Given, the first thing which is given is side of a square field is 10 meter. Okay, time taken for one round, time taken for one round is 40 seconds. Total time taken is equal to 2 minutes 20 seconds. Okay, this is 2 minutes 20 second, minute and second. First thing to convert minute into second. So here 2 into 60 second, because 1 minute is equal to 60 second. So we put it here 60 second plus 20 second. So the answer will be 260 is 120 second plus 20 second, and finally we got total time 140 second. Okay, till here you write down everything. First I erase it and solve next part. So now it's turn to calculate total distance covered in one round in 40 seconds. Okay, so distance covered in 40 seconds is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay, all sides are equal, which is equal to 10 meter. So I put it here 10 meter. You also can say the distance covered in 40 seconds is equal to perimeter of the square. So it will be 40 meter. If he cover 40-meter distance in 40 seconds, then he can cover 120-meter distance in 120 seconds. Okay, how? Let's first he cover 40 meter in one round, and after he cover 80 meter in second round, and similarly 120 meter in third round, and in this way the time will be 120 second. 40 second plus 40 second plus 40 second become 120 second. Okay, so he will cover 120 meter in 120 second after covering 3 round. Okay, in 3 round. Then the remaining distance, then the remaining distance will he cover in 20 seconds. In 20. Okay. So if I say he cover 40 meter distance in 40 seconds, then he cover 1 meter distance in 1 second, and in uh, in 10 seconds he cover 10 meter distance. Means if he moves one side, AB is equal to 10 meter, then he will take 10 seconds. How much? 10 seconds. So 10 seconds here and 10 seconds here. He will cover only two side of the square in 20 seconds. Okay, he will cover only two side of a square in 20 seconds, either this or this. Okay, any two. So I take AB and BC. So if he cover AB and BC, the distance will be 20 meter, but the displacement will be shortest straight line path. What? Shortest straight line path means AC. Okay, the displacement will be AC. So how we find out the distance AC? We find out distance AC by applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so till then you no doubt it. By using Pythagorean theorem, Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so we apply Pythagorean theorem in triangle ABC. There AB, BC base and perpendicular, and AC will be hypotenuse. So here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So because it is the side of a square, it will be 10 meter. So here it will be 10 meter whole square plus 10 meter whole square. So it will be 10 square 100 plus 10 square 100, and apply here a square root for AC. So it will be AC is equal to square root 200. So now we take the square root of 200. 200 divide by 2 become 100, divide by 2 become 50, 25, 5, 5, 1. Okay, so here 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. It forms pair and it also forms pairs. So we take a square root of this, we find 2 into 5 a square root 2. So there will be 10 square root 2. So we can say finally the magnitude of displacement is 10 square root 2 meter in 120 second. Okay, so this will be answer. I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, press the like button and share to your friends. If you first time visit our channel, you subscribe also. Okay, I meet you in the next video with the next question. Till then, thank you class.